Hey there, welcome back to Auto Gear USA. Today, we're showcasing the hottest car accessories on the market, from high-pressure washers to professional breathalyzers. We've got it all. Let's dive in. Number 1. Big Boy Washer. Introducing the Big Boy Washer Pro, your go-to solution for powerful and reliable high-pressure washing. Featuring a collectorless induction motor for 4 times longer service life, and an Italian-forged brass pump for quiet operation at just 80 decibels, it's in a class of its own. With a maximum pressure of 130 bar and a water flow rate of 2.5 GPM, it's perfect for washing cars, motorcycles, bicycles, terraces, and more. Plus, the special nozzle makes it easy to remove dirt, mold, and other contaminants from surfaces. Say goodbye to grime and hello to sparkling clean with the Big Boy Washer Pro. Number 2. Meguiar's Hybrid Wax. Introducing Meguiar's Hybrid Car Wax, the ultimate choice for protecting and preserving your beloved vehicle's beauty. Harnessing the power of SiO2 hybrid ceramic technology, this new generation liquid wax offers long-term paintwork protection and extreme water repellency. Unlike conventional waxes, it leaves no whitish residue on plastic, chrome, or rubber parts. Easy to apply like traditional liquid waxes, simply wash and dry your car thoroughly. Apply a thin layer, allow it to polymerize, and then wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Elevate your car's shine and protection with Meguiar's Hybrid Car Wax, the perfect solution for automotive enthusiasts. Number 3. Plastic Parts Repair Kit. Introducing our Plastic Car Parts Repair Kit, your solution for fixing cracked bumpers and other plastic car parts with ease. The kit features a powerful 50-watt welder with adjustable filament temperature, allowing you to make quick repairs in minutes. With 4 types of staples in various shapes and sizes, you can confidently repair bumpers, sills, fenders, dodgers, and more. These staples quickly heat up and melt into the material, providing a strong and secure connection without the need for glue or resin. Plus, the kit includes handy wire cutters for trimming any excess staple after repair. Say goodbye to cracked bumpers. Repair them like a pro with our Plastic Car Parts Repair Kit. Number 4. Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. Introducing our 2-in-1 car snow brush and ice scraper, the ultimate winter companion for your vehicle. Featuring soft bristles and a removable scraper made of durable ABS plastic, it gently cleans your car without scratching the surface. The ergonomic, soft-coated handle provides a comfortable grip, while the compact size makes it easy to take with you on the go. The heat-resistant, high-strength ABS plastic scraper quickly removes even thick layers of ice from your windows, ensuring efficient performance in extreme conditions. Say goodbye to winter woes with our reliable and durable 2-in-1 car snow brush and ice scraper. Number 5. Photochromic Glasses. Introducing our Photochromic Glasses for driving and sports, designed to provide ultimate comfort and protection in any environment. Made from heavy-duty materials with frameless design, these glasses feature chameleon lenses that adapt to match the surrounding light conditions. Whether it's a sunny day or nighttime driving, they ensure optimal visibility and comfort. With anti-reflective mechanism to block bright rays, UV protection, and automatic dimming, your eyes are shielded from harmful glare and fatigue. Experience high-quality, natural color reproduction for enhanced vision and safety, no matter where you are. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to clarity with our Photochromic Glasses. Number 6. 2000W Car Inverter. Introducing our 2000-watt car inverter, your essential outlet for powering devices on the go. Whether you're at the cottage, in the garage, or on a road trip, this inverter is designed to provide reliable power from your car's 12-volt network. Simply plug it into the cigarette lighter socket or connect it directly to the battery, and you're ready to use it like a standard socket. With a built-in forced cooling element, it's protected from overheating, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Plus, if the connected appliance exceeds the permissible power, the inverter will emit an audible signal to indicate overload, keeping you informed and safe. Don't let power limitations hold you back. Stay connected wherever you go with our car inverter. Number 7. Cordless Wrench. Introducing our Cordless Wrench, the ultimate tool for maximizing ease in removing car wheels and tackling construction work. With a battery capacity of 4,000 mAh, torque ranging from 160 to 320 Nm, and a head size of 3.5 inches. It's designed for versatility and power. Plus, with a speed of up to 3,200 RPM, you'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. Choose from several models with different characteristics to suit your needs. Stay independent of the electric network and enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience with our Cordless Wrench. Number 8. Ratchet Tap Holder. Introducing the Ratchet Tap Holder with reversible mechanism, an essential tool for automotive craftsmen. Designed for cutting internal threads, this tool features a screw with straight or helical chip grooves that form cutting edges. The tap's tail part is attached to the spigot, while the working part is inserted into the hole. When turning the spigot, reciprocating movements cut the thread, with the working part featuring cutting and calibrating parts for precision. With its reversible mechanism, this ratchet tap holder offers versatility and ease of use, making it a must-have for any automotive workshop. Number 9. Professional Breathalyzer. Introducing our Professional Breathalyzer, hailed as one of the best on the market. This highly accurate device has garnered awards and endorsements from reputable organizations for its reliability and ease of use. Utilizing advanced platinum sensor fuel cell measurement technology, the same trusted technology found in hospitals and police breathalyzers ensures precise results. Operating the S80 is simple. Just insert two 8A batteries and press one button. The display instantly shows the measured breath alcohol concentration. You can also customize threshold values and switch between units of measurement with ease. Trust the S80 for accurate and convenient alcohol testing in any setting. Number 10. Car Air Filter. The air filter is a crucial component in maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. By filtering out pollen, dirt, bacteria, and other particles, it ensures that you and your passengers breathe fresh, clean air. Additionally, the filter absorbs moisture, preventing windows from fogging up and creating a more comfortable ride. With added baking soda and charcoal, it also helps to create a fresh, pleasant atmosphere inside the vehicle. By improving the operation of the HVAC system, this accessory enhances overall comfort during your journey. Experts advise replacing the air filter every 12 months or 12,000 miles to ensure optimal performance and air quality. Number 11. Air Moto Inflator. Introducing the Air Moto Tire Inflator, a revolutionary tool for car enthusiasts. This portable air compressor/pump is your all-in-one solution for inflating car tires with ease. With a quick inflation time of just minutes and an accuracy of up to 120 psi, you can ensure your tires are always at the perfect pressure. Compact and lightweight, it's convenient to store in your glove compartment or garage, ready for use whenever you need it. The Air Moto Tire Inflator features a convenient handle for easy transport, making it ideal for emergencies on the road or outdoor adventures. Stay safe and prepared on your journeys with the Air Moto Tire Inflator. Number 12. Compact Fire Extinguisher. Today, I want to introduce you to something that can truly be a lifesaver in the event of a fire: compact fire extinguishers. These handy devices are not only designed to prevent fires, but also to ensure the safety of you and your loved ones. With a height of just 11.7 inches and a width of 3.3 inches, they are incredibly easy to carry, and their compact shape makes them convenient to store in your car or home. What sets these extinguishers apart is their portability. They have a maximum spray distance of 13 feet. This means you can quickly and effectively stop a fire from spreading without leaving any residue or mess behind. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in a compact fire extinguisher today and be prepared for any emergency. Number 13. Car Cig Lighter. Introducing our compact car cigarette lighter, your go-to solution for fast and convenient gadget charging on the go. With 66 watts of power, it charges devices up to 5 times faster than conventional chargers. Retractable cables prevent tangled wires, ensuring hassle-free usage. Equipped with protection against overheating, short circuit, and overvoltage, your devices are always safe. Complete with 2 Type-C and Lightning wires, a voltmeter, and 2 USB ports, it's the perfect companion for modern smartphones and gadgets. Stay powered up wherever the road takes you with our compact car cigarette lighter. Number 14. Battery-powered wrench. Are you frequently tightening nuts or occasionally need to do so? Save time and effort with our battery-powered wrench. With up to 4 hours of work on a single charge, it's convenient to take with you anywhere. Boasting a torque of 1030 dulves, it's a serious contender for heavy-duty tasks. The kit includes the wrench, charger, and battery for all your tightening needs. Number 15. Ferrite Rings. Elevate your cable gain with our Ferrite Rings, the ultimate solution for combating electromagnetic interference in style. Perfect for audio and video cables, these sleek rings add a touch of sophistication while keeping your signals crystal clear. Simply snap them into place and voila! No more pesky interference. Plus, with their easy installation and reliable performance, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy uninterrupted audio and video bliss. Upgrade your cable setup today and experience the difference with Ferrite Rings. Number 16. Baseus Car Charger. Introducing Baseus' wireless car charger, offering ultra-fast wireless, charging up to 15 W for Android and 7.5 W for iPhone. Simply place your smartphone, 5.4 to 6.7 inches, on the holder for seamless charging while on the move. Engineered with smart circuitry, it protects against overheating and overcharging. Soft rubber grips keep your phone secure without leaving marks, while the adjustable tilt angle makes it perfect for navigation. Compatible with most modern smartphones, this charger ensures convenience and safety on every journey. Number 17. Spoiler Dodger. Introducing the Spoiler Dodger, crafted from premium polyurethane for a sleek and durable finish. Measuring 59 inches in length, this stylish tuning element boasts a smooth, shiny surface and impressive elasticity for easy shaping. Installation is a breeze. Simply trim to fit, degrease the surface, and secure with double-sided tape or a construction hairdryer for added fixation. Enhance your car's appearance with a more streamlined and aggressive look, emphasizing its dynamism and sporty character while improving aerodynamics. With its universal design, the Dodger can be applied to the trunk, bumper, sills, and roof, adding style and individuality to your ride. Number 18. Universal Drill Bits. Introducing our Universal Drill Bits, the ultimate solution for thread cutting with a hexagonal shank. Featuring a titanium coating for durability and lightweight performance, these drill bits are essential for household use. Quickly drill holes and thread them in various materials including wood, plastic, aluminum, tin, and magnesium alloy with a thickness of up to 5 millimeters. Simply fix the drill bits in the chuck of a screwdriver or drill for seamless operation. Upgrade your toolkit with our versatile and reliable universal drill bits today. Number 19. Rear View Camera. Introducing our universal rear view camera, designed to fit seamlessly into any vehicle, from cars to trucks. Mounting to the rear license plate, it offers a wide 149-degree viewing angle, akin to the wide-angle lens on your smartphone, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings when reversing. Transmitting in high-definition 720p resolution, day or night, it ensures clear visibility in all conditions. Built with IP69K technology, it's dust and water resistant, making it perfect for use in any weather. The rugged metal housing protects against damage and vibration, ensuring durability on the road. Installation is a breeze. Simply power it from the reverse light and connect to your display using an RCA connector AV cable. Drive with confidence and safety with our universal rear view camera. Number 20. Car Trash Can. Transform your car into a clutter-free oasis with our car trash can, complete with lid and storage pockets. Say goodbye to messy interiors and hello to effortless organization. Featuring 4 metal magnetic snaps, it's a breeze to attach an extra trash bag for added convenience. With its airtight design, spills are a thing of the past, while unpleasant odors stay locked inside. Plus, the hinged lid and 2 side meshed pockets offer easy access to essentials like bottles, tissues, and wet wipes. Ideal for all car types, from sedans to SUVs, it's the ultimate solution for a neat and stylish ride. Don't let chaos reign. Upgrade to our car trash can today and cruise in clean, clutter-free comfort. Thanks for tuning in to World Cars Info. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews. Have a great day and happy driving!